And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin with a story we have been following all day. The amount of illegal ammunition seized along the shores in White House, Westmoreland on Monday has ballooned to 4,401.
Now, TVJ News understands that lawmen found the additional rounds after an operation at the premises of the alleged persons of interest.
Kimberly Petty reports.
The rough seas at the sandstone beach in White House, Westmoreland is reflective of the mood of fisherfolk who were left inconvenienced following a major ammunition bust. When we visited the beach on Tuesday, the fishermen were alarmed by the news.
I'm doing about 30 a year. I'm never see some on beach yet. I'm always fishing us go down carrying a night, going down night like 8 o'clock, come back like 7 o'clock in the morning, like night sea. So I really never see this happen yet. So I'm really frightened if you know say that will happen and say we're free beach.
Reports said that the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC, conducted a pre-dawn intelligence-led operation which led to the seizure of 3,900 rounds of ammunition, 19 exotic animals, and uncustomed cigarettes. According to the police, at about 5 a.m., the CTOC operation unit went to the location where 2 men were observed removing items from the shoreline. However, on approach of the police, they fled, leaving behind several rounds of ammunition, 19 parrots, 9 of which were dead, and 2 squirrels. David, another fisherfolk who was at the beach during the operation, recalled being traumatized.
I'm police and then kick off the door and come in and ask me, say, who am I inside my place? I'm saying, I'm alone. So, them said to me, say, all right, go on back on your bed. So I go back on my bed and after I go back on my bed, come back to what I said. So I get up and come out in the morning and I leave. So I don't know much going on when I come back. Because all I do them kick off again and they go down here dig up.
He said business has not been the same since. Meanwhile, the police carried out a further raid of several premises in Colode in the parish on Monday in search of the wanted men and found 2 red Lord Amazon parrots in a cage. 501 9mm rounds of ammunition, along with 82 5.56 cartridges, were discovered, and a quantity of ganja. The men continue to be at large. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.